Did you know a simple squat can work wonders for your body? It's true. This one exercise done consistently can transform you inside and out. We're talking increased strength, improved flexibility, and a boost in your overall fitness. This isn't about becoming a bodybuilder or spending hours in the gym. It's about incorporating a manageable routine into your day 50 squats. That's right, just 50. You might be thinking, can something so simple really make a difference? The answer is a resounding yes. The key is consistency. By committing to 50 squats a day, you'll unlock a wave of positive changes you might not expect. Get ready to be amazed by what your body can achieve. This isn't just another fitness fad. It's about reclaiming your health and well-being with a simple, effective exercise you can do anywhere. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's be real, starting any new routine comes with its hurdles. Life gets busy, motivation dwindles, and we find excuses. But here's the beauty of the 50 squats challenge. It's incredibly adaptable. No time for a full workout? Break it down. Do 10 squats every few hours, short on space? No problem. Squats can be done anywhere. The key is finding a rhythm that works for you and sticking with it. Many people think squats are just for gym rats or fitness fanatics. That's simply not true. Squats are for everyone. They're a natural movement pattern, like sitting down and standing up. The challenge isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Some days will be tougher than others, and that's okay. Just keep moving even if it's just a few squats at a time. Remember, every squat counts. One common misconception is that bodyweight exercises like squats aren't as effective as lifting heavy weights. While weights have their place, don't underestimate the power of your own body. Squats, when done correctly, engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing a full-body workout. Another myth is that squats are bad for your knees. In reality, when done with proper form, squats can actually strengthen the muscles surrounding your knees, improving joint stability and reducing the risk of injury. It's important to start slowly and focus on technique, especially if you're new to exercise. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a fitness professional to ensure you're performing squats correctly. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a race. Listen to your body, take rest days when needed, and celebrate your progress along the way. Squats are like the Swiss Army knife of exercises. They work your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, building strength and endurance in your lower body. But the benefits go beyond just building muscle. Squats improve flexibility, particularly in your hips and ankles. This increased range of motion can make everyday activities easier, from playing with your kids to simply bending down to tie your shoes. What's more, squats boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. This can be a game changer for those looking to manage their weight or improve their body composition. And let's not forget the mental benefits. Regular exercise, including squats, releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that elevate your mood and reduce stress. So not only will you look better, but you'll feel amazing too. Real people, real results, 50 squats transformations. The beauty of the 50 squats challenge lies in its simplicity and accessibility. People from all walks of life have embraced this challenge and experienced incredible transformations. Take Sarah, a busy mom of 2 who struggled to find time for exercise. She started incorporating 50 squats into her day, doing them in short bursts while her kids were playing. Within weeks, she noticed increased energy levels, improved muscle tone, and a boost in her confidence. Then there's John, a retired teacher, who thought his active days were behind him. He started with just 10 squats a day and gradually worked his way up to 50. Not only did he regain strength and mobility, but he also rediscovered a love for fitness he thought he'd lost. These are just 2 examples of the countless individuals who have experienced the transformative power of 50 squats. Their stories are a testament to the fact that it's never too late, and you're never too busy to prioritize your health and well-being. Beyond the physical, the unexpected benefits. While the physical benefits of squats are undeniable, the mental and emotional transformations are equally profound. The simple act of committing to a daily challenge and witnessing your progress can be incredibly empowering. Many people report feeling more confident and capable in other areas of their lives. That sense of accomplishment spills over into their work, relationships, and overall outlook on life. Squats can also be a form of mindfulness. As you focus on your breath and the movement of your body, you quiet your mind and cultivate a sense of presence. This can be especially beneficial in our fast-paced, technology-driven world. The journey of 50 squats is about so much more than just physical change. It's about pushing your boundaries, discovering your inner strength, and embracing a healthier, happier you. Your journey starts today, 50 squats to a new you. So, are you ready to embark on your own 50 squats transformation? Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Start small, focus on proper form, and listen to your body. Find what works for you. Break down the squats throughout your day or challenge yourself to do them all at once. Make it fun. Put on some music, get your family involved, or find a workout buddy to keep you motivated. The most important thing is to simply start. Take that first step, commit to yourself, and watch as the transformations unfold. You might be surprised by what you can achieve with just 50 squats a day. Join the movement. Share your story. We're all in this together. Share your 50 squats journey with the hashtag #50squats transformation and inspire others to unlock their potential. Let's create a community of support and encouragement as we strive for healthier, happier lives. For more fitness tips, recipes, and motivation, visit my website or follow me on social media. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Invest in it.